Good morning, children. Children, as we are revising the chapter motion, in the chapter motion, children, we learned about some of the keywords. Okay, relative. If an object is at rest or is it in the motion with respect to the another object, then we say that is called as a relative motion or relative distance. The actual path covered by a body is called as the distance. The actual path covered by a body is called as a distance. Next we have the displacement. Okay. Displacement means the shortest path covered by a body is called as a displacement, or we can say that the difference between the initial and the final position is called as a displacement. And here instantaneous speed as well as the average speed. Speed is defined as the ratio of distance to the time. Okay, distance by time is called as the speed, whereas the average speed is defined as the ratio of the total distance taken to the total time taken. Total distance traveled to the total time taken is called as the average speed. Okay, and in the same way we have the average velocity. Average velocity means the total displacement traveled to the total time taken is called as the average velocity. Okay, next, velocity is defined as the displacement to the time. The displacement traveled to the time taken is called as the velocity. And here acceleration means the rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity is called as the acceleration. It is denoted by small a. A is equal to v minus u by t. Okay, right. And here rectilinear motion. Rectilinear means moving of an object in a straight line path is called as a rectilinear. If an object is in the motion in a straight line path, then it is called as a rectilinear motion. Okay, and here motion is relative. Motion of the object depends on the observer. Okay, always the motion of the object depends on the observer. Okay, children. Next, velocity is a speed in a specified direction. Speed in a specified direction is called as the velocity, children. Okay, speed in a particular direction is called as the velocity, or we can define the velocity as displacement by the time taken. And here, a body has acceleration when the velocity of the body changes. When the velocity of the body is changing, then we say that it is the acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. And here motion is said to be uniform if the acceleration is constant. If the acceleration is constant, then we say that the motion is constant. Okay, children? Motion is uniform. Motion is uniform when we say the motion is uniform when the acceleration is constant. And here we are having of the different equations for the accelerated motion. That is v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Okay, these are the equations. Okay, and here in the examination you may get that what is v, or v is equal to dash plus at, u plus at, v square minus u square is equals to dash 2as. Okay, s is equal to ut plus half at square, f is equal to ut plus half at square, dash plus half at square. Like that you may get the question. Okay, children? Remaining we will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.